Hi everyone! How would you like to be successful in the service industry? Do you know that there are at least 3 soft skills that wins? Would you like to know them? Well, number 1, we should remember to truly hear our clients, the how. Let's focus fully, ask clarifying questions, reflect back on what we hear, and also observe nonverbal cues. Number 2, see things from their perspective. Acknowledge how our clients are actually feeling. So regardless of what service industry you're at, real estate, automotive, many others, feelings are very real and clients can be emotional buyers in that regard. So we need to tailor fit our communication and show genuine care with follow-ups. Remember, a person will not trust us until they know we truly have their best intentions at heart. And finally, number 3, simplify the complex. So how do we apply this? Avoid jargons, because for all you know, the person in front of us is not very much adept or familiar with such. We need to organize information logically, clearly, as simply as possible. Ask the right questions, and of course, as always, choose the right communication method. As always, working is a continuous learning process, and service above all is something that we all need to embrace fully. So, as God is always the best teacher, let us remember whatever that is we do, as long as we do it for God's glory, it will make the whole picture brighter and clearer. Friends, as always, remember, anyone can stand out and shine.